In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the HY300 Projector to a MacBook. So to do this we need a HDMI cable. I have here a cable with on both ends an HDMI end. What we're gonna do is we're gonna plug one end of the HDMI, we're gonna plug here in the projector in here. So let me do that quickly, like this, and then the other end of the HDMI cable we're gonna plug in the MacBook. I have an extender, this one, because I don't have a cable with the USB-C end to it. So let me plug it in quick. Yeah, like this, guys, it's now plugged in. Now let me put the projector back like this. Alright, what we need to do now is with the remote control we select HDMI. Okay. And now we see the home screen of the MacBook, but still it's not doing anything. So what we need to do now is on the MacBook, in the top left corner we see the Apple logo. Click on it, select System Settings, then select here Displays, and then here we need to change Main Display to Mirror for SGD SX8. So let's do that. And now we connected the projector to a MacBook. So we can go to YouTube, we can go to Netflix, we can do whatever we want. Guys, I hope this video was valuable, and then I see you in the next one.